everybody, my name is Natasha Shanubi Peters, on the island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, radio announcer by profession. And I wanted to do this video because a lot of you have seen me all over social media with my Alive supplement. But I've never really shared exactly why it is that I needed to lose the weight. I've never shared that. So you've seen my results all over social media using the Alive, but I've never come clean as to why I needed to lose the weight in the first place. So I'm gonna share it with you guys right now, right? That's why I'm doing this video. A couple of years ago, I was told by doctors my bones are too small. I cannot put on weight. It's going to cause medical complications. COVID kicks in, and I start working from home, but I also eat from home. I ate so much that I didn't realize that the weight was actually piling on. And don't judge me. I didn't know, okay? I didn't know. But the weight piled on so much, I could feel the medical complications kicking in. So now I am forced to lose the weight. So I said, okay, let me add back my exercise because I like to do my Taibo. So let's do that. I'm feeling energized, but the weight isn't moving. I said, okay, let's add dieting. So I'm feeling good, but the weight is not moving. That's the problem, right? And so now I got to find a way to get rid of this weight that's pressuring my bones. Our company came out with your Live supplement in May of 2023. Immediately, you should see this girl. I grabbed these bottles up like crazy because I have no choice, right? And I started to use my supplement. In 2 weeks and a half, I was down 2 belt sizes. After that, down 3 belt sizes, right? So this happened between May and June of 2023. Since then, all I've done is take my supplement. You see this bottle right here? You see me all over social media talking about Alive, but Alive literally gave me my health back. That's what this did. That's why I'm so excited all over the place talking about this product. It's not just the hype. It's not just trying to get you to buy something. It's letting you know that we have something that actually works. People like to tell you, oh, exercise, diet, but as you get older, you need help. I needed the help, right? I was talking to somebody the other day and she was telling me she's an exercise enthusiast, but she crossed that threshold. And she said she realized the same exercises were not working anymore. She got the Alive. I have men who got the Alive, right? And the Alive is working for people in so many different ways. People with pressure, sugar, people with endometriosis and cysts and fibroids, helping them to regulate their cycles, right? I haven't bought strong painkillers from the pharmacy since May of 2023, since I've been taking this, and my cycle is regulated. I don't have bad periods anymore, right? People with thyroid problems, they're using the Alive for regulation and they're getting regulated. Like, I can't tell you guys the amount of people using this for different reasons. Men like it for the macro. Let's just get that out the way, right? Metabolism boosts, energy levels go up, your mood go up. Up till last night, I was chatting with a woman going through menopause and she doesn't have menopausal symptoms anymore, no hot flashes and stuff like that. Her joints are feeling good. She's using the Alive. That's it. One supplement with all the superfoods in it on the planet, packed in one bottle, and it's working from your head to your feet. I've got people who are doing cancer treatment, dialysis treatment, and they're using Alive to repair back their bodies. Now, that's not on the bottle. I'm telling you what my customers are experiencing and people who I know. A matter of fact, one of the persons I work along with, she's down 114 pounds. My Lord, my word, and she did surgery to get rid of the weight, and it didn't work. But the Alive since last year, May, she's been using it down 114 pounds. So here's what I'm going to do. All the ingredients, I'm going to put it on the back of this video. I'm going to put my number on this video. If you would like to get your hands on the Alive supplement, it doesn't matter where in the world you are, go ahead and send me a message, a WhatsApp message. We're in 126 different countries. We ship everywhere. I'm going to be able to get you this in your hand so that way you'll be able to start using Alive as a tool to improve your health. That's what it is. It's not hype. It's not trying to sell you something. It's getting something in your hand that actually works, right? So go ahead and send me those messages. FYI, those of you who might say, oh, show us the results. When I put the results in the video, some social media pages block it because they say, oh, we're offending people who might be slim or who might be, have on a little bit more weight. So go ahead and look at my pages. You'll see results all over my pages, all over social media, right? I look forward to receiving those messages from you guys.